Transform your email marketing by seamlessly connecting your Google Sheets data to Mailerlite with zero manual effort, thanks to Pabbly Connect. First, let's head over to Pabbly Connect and create a new workflow. Click on the Create Workflow button. For our trigger, we'll search for and select Google Sheets now. Choose the event that will initiate the automation for this tutorial. We'll pick New Spreadsheet Row. Next, you'll need to connect your Google Sheets account and select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet containing your subscriber data. This tells Pabbly exactly where to look for new information. Pabbly will then provide you with a Webhook URL. Copy this URL, as we'll need it in just a moment. Now, switch over to your Google Sheet. Go to the Add-ins menu and select Pabbly Connect. Within the Pabbly Connect add-in, paste the Webhook URL you copied earlier into the provided field and click Send Test Data. Back in Pabbly Connect, you should now see the data from your Google Sheet appear. This confirms the connection is working correctly. In the Action Event section, search for and select Mailerlite. For the event, we'll choose Add Subscriber. You'll need to connect your Mailerlite account by entering your API key. You can find this in your Mailerlite account settings. Then, select the Mailerlite group where you want to add new subscribers. Now, map the corresponding fields from your Google Sheet to your Mailerlite subscriber fields. For example, drag the email column from Google Sheets to the email field in Mailerlite, and do the same for name or any other relevant data. Once everything is mapped, click the Save button to activate your workflow. From now on, every new row added to your Google Sheet will automatically be transferred to your Mailerlite subscriber list, keeping your campaigns fresh and ensuring you never miss an opportunity to engage with your audience.